Wait. Let's start on number 3.
I feel.
Remember, it can sound. Listen.
L.
There we go.
Fell on
D.
Down on the floor and broke my hip.
Good. Number 4.
I
Don't say it when I say it. Listen, because you can't remember it by yourself. The letter U can sound like A for umbrella, but it doesn't sound like A for umbrella in this word. Good girl. Use.
my skipping
There we go.
rope to skip.
Well done. Number 5. Okay, there's number 5.
I want to
Where's the K? Where's the K sound? It's not the first sound. Is it A?
take
So when it has a smiley face, it's A. Ne?
take a bath. Sip of my tea.
Good. Why are you fidgeting? Why are you moving your body, swaying to and fro? Do you read with your body or do you read with your eyes and your mouth?
I read with my eyes.
Okay, so when you move around while you're reading, it takes away your attention from the word that you need to focus on. So you must try and keep still when you read, okay?
Yes.
Okay?
The
You're still fidgeting. You're fidgeting.
zip of
You're still moving. Try and actually keep still. Don't move.
the zip of my jacket is
Well, yes.
broken.
Very good. Let me help you with the sounds for broken. Br. O. K. No, give me a chance when I'm doing the sounds for you. It's your listening turn, ne?
Yes.
Br. O. K. E. N. And the word is?
Broken.
There we go. Okay, and the next sound is? There we go. We won't have enough time in this video to do the sentences, but it's
I
okay. Let's do it in the next video.
eat
Okay. Let's